Okay. So give your A00 same as it is, listing exclusion B001. Save it. Okay. Now, so what happened? This part is over. Now BB01. What BB01? Same again, go for master data. Listing and exclusion. Go for BB001. And here I have already created BB002. A001, give A001, enter. Okay, enter. You have to give your cycle example, list of material which is allowed to customer. Okay, so I have given cycle, and which are the list of custom items which don't want to, means customers exclusion. So give the B00, enter, and give the material here. No condition record exists for this selection. Okay, so let me give footer. Okay, footer. So one is exclude, one is include. Now go for create, enter, give your customer. Okay, now give the material. If you give a scooter, give the quantity one. See here, checkout. It is not allowing. See, material has been excluded. Okay, material has been excluded. The system has put an exclusion condition for this item that you have entered. Therefore, the material may not be used for this transaction. Same thing if you use for a cycle, it will allow. Okay, see now that is what the difference with the listing and the exclusion. Okay, so let me remove this first from the document. Save it. Okay, so listing part is similar, same. Now come to the um, product product proposal or else item proposal. Okay, so product proposal, item proposal is nothing. You just need to maintain your uh, customer, sorry, master data. So no need to go for your configuration things. Item proposal, product proposal, it is same. Just go for VA51, create here something with item proposal. So if you go for item proposal, there are 3 item proposal. It is there in this document. So standard will call as a MS, but somebody has changed to rental contract. Okay, so not a problem if you use any one of these. So you can select any one of these. Give this, enter. Okay. So item proposal number will generate it automatically. Just give the description, give the valid from date to, and give the material. Okay. So what are the item proposal for this customer? You can assign it here. How many quantities? Say example, a regular customer, it is taken daily minimum quantity or what is it, fixed quantity. So those quantities you can give here. Okay, save it. Okay. Now take this number, copy this number, and just assign to the customer master data. Customer master data. It is already created. Open here. Okay, customer master data. If you go here, item proposal. Give your item proposal, save it. Okay, save it. Now again go back to sales order. Give your customer, enter, enter. Okay. Now for this item proposal, what you have to do? You have to go for edit, go for additional function, propose items. Which are the items are there for this customer? Select here. You can see the list of items here for this customer. In this now it will have you will have the options. Either you can select particular item material, or else if you want complete material with quantity or without quantity. If you give with quantity, it will come complete. See 10, 5 quantity. Okay. NIPR plant. Okay. Now same way if you create one more, edit, additional, propose item. Now without quantity. If you give as a without quantity, it shows as without quantity. You should fill it with quantity. Okay. So that option. Or else you can go for propose item, selection list. So you say that you might have list of materials, 5, 10, whatever it is. So out of that, which materials do you want? Okay, you can just select that, enter it. Okay, copy material, copy quantity. Let's give this. Okay, it will come. Okay, that's it. Okay, now remove the proposal because it will show. Okay, now item proposal is over. Now last one, rush order. Rush order similar to cash sale, but it will be what will happen. It will be this is for cash sale will be for a one-time customer, and this is for a repetitive customer, and it will be in the rush for order, and then same it will be first will be taken as an order, and then will be a delivery on the invoice. Okay, if you look here, there's no need to go for any master data something. Directly you can go for VA01, but here it is order type will be get changed. Order type is what? ORO, rush order. Okay, give your customer, give the material quantity. Okay, so here no pricing procedure could be determined because we have to give your pricing procedure in the order type. Okay, so go for VA0, V08, go for OR, sorry, RO. Then here document pricing procedure is there. Yeah. Okay. Instead of that, copy it, create with our new name N NSRO. NSRO. I have created here. So give the document pricing procedure NP. Okay. Instead of changing in the existing standard one, create our custom our order type and then give our pricing procedure. Now go to fresh order, give a NSRO. Okay, NS or what is it? NIRO. Yes, NIRO. Give the customer material quantity. Okay, so now save it. So, okay, same here also delivery is created. Delivery is created, but if you go for the delivery, okay, here delivery number you have to give. Okay, so if you look here, delivery number is also generated. Now, if you go for sorry, VF01, VF01. So here what will happen is it's taking as a delivery document here again. Okay, so delivery document. So in the cash sales, order number will be taking it, order number. Now here it is delivery number. Okay, document is being created. Let me check posting will happen or not. Okay, see here now. What is showing? Document has already been passed on to the accounting document. So here no need to pass the accounting document, like release the accounting document. It is already created. If you look here. Okay. So rush order. So what will happen? It's based on the delivery, but accounting document also will be generated immediately. So no need to create your delivery. So simultaneously with your order only it will be created, and at the time of billing, default will be it will release the accounting document. Okay, so that's it. So these are the basic things you have to just understand the standard process. All standard. If you want, you can create your own and you can practice it also. Okay, let me stop now. Okay, well, one more thing, I'll just show you. We have a time now. Just I'll just show you some configurations of uh, uh, documents. Okay, so main configurations documents, sales document. If you look here, so there are three types of documents content. The document contain three layers. One is header, item, and schedule line. Okay, if you look here, header, sales document header contains these are the areas like what are the language conversion, number ranges, sequence, field selections. So all those things. Okay, and same if you look here item like quantity of material and item category, plant, all those things. If you look here detail wise, if you look here, you'll find it here. Shipping detail, availability check, output data, determination, partner determination, all those things. Okay, and schedule line details, it will be captured of the for shipping conditions. Schedule line category to the item category, what type of how the schedule will happen, how the shipping should happen, on what date it is. So all those things will be based on this schedule line. Now, if you look here, VOV8. So this is the VOV8. This is the T code where we use for all order related invoice inquiry quotation. If you look here, IN for standard inquiry, for quotation QT, and OR for order. Same way for rush order RO, and for cost cash sale CS. So like this, multiple documents are there. You can go through, and if you look here, OR. If you go here, so these are the basic things you have to understand. What type of categories? If you look here, the document category you have to assign here, whether it is this inquiry, quotation, item proposal, or what it is. So if it is order, you have to give your order. If it is a item proposal, the product proposal what we given, so it should be item proposal. Okay, and yeah. So if you have a return something that you can give, and okay. So these are number ranges. It will take from this document only. The what number will be created, no? Document number, example. If you look somewhere, see this number. So these numbers are generated 1135. So these numbers are generated from this number ranges only. Internal default it will take, external user has to define it is. An item number it shows in the document, right? If you look here, if you look here, that's not out. Yes. Oh, okay. Customer material. Default it take 10 number item. So this is what the 10 item number. Okay. So everything the document related will be here. Either it will be in the header, or it will be in the item, or it will be in the schedule line. Okay. So now so order related billing for a F2 for a OR. If same way, if you look for the cash sale CS, if you look here, it is BV, BV, BV. Here CS also it will take, BV also it will take. Okay, rush order, similar to order only. Okay, here it is at immediately. Immediate delivery is nothing but your three type is there, whether it is separate delivery or immediately delivery with your order. So it is immediately delivery it is given it is. So that's why rush and the cancel it is with delivery the order is generated. Okay. Now, so document number ranges here already defined. It's all standard. If you look here, you'll get to know. So these all the standards is being created here. See now last the document number if you see here 1140. If you look here, we already created 1140. Five documents might be have created, right? 114035. If you look here, VA05, if we execute 1140, see, this is the last document. So that is why it is showing that 1140. This, so it will start from 1 and it goes till this number. Okay. So there's like these configurations are there. The order reason, if you want, you can mention. Okay. Document type and sales order organization, you can mention that also. If you want to sales area to be picked default, that you also you can assign here. Now, same thing for header data. Sorry, item data. Now, in item data, there is a category is there. So what category? Now, if you look here, while creating the lines, okay. So there is a standard tan is there, standard item. Okay. So in this tan, what is there? What type of billing should be created? Whether it is a order related or it is a delivery related. So it is here delivery related billing document. So if you give a delivery, without delivery, the billing will not happen. Okay. Now same way for TAN free of charge, something is there. Pricing B. If you look here, another third party item, some F is there. If you look F, what is that? Order related billing. It will be order related billing will happen, not with the delivery related. Okay. So this category will be defined at the line item. If you look here, if you go little right side, see item category. Without item category, the line will not be generated. Okay. So item category group you can define. So that this item category group where it is assigned. If you look here, ORM normal standard. So where we have assigned this in the material master data. If you go here, there is a default, you can assign it here with the material type. So we have not assigned it because there is a default, it is there. FERT material type we have created, right? So with this FERT, item category is norm is there. MUR, NORM. So if you go for MM02, see general item category group here you can see. Also you can, where is it? Sales organization 2. Yeah. General item category 2 norm. Item category 2 is a norm. So this is taking from a item category group. Okay. So T codes also there. You can remember your T codes. V7 is for item category. V8 for the order type. And group is the OVASW. And for default to assign material type, VOVA. So this many T codes are there. You can remember. Also, you can remember path also. Okay. The main thing it is assign item category. How the item category will be assigned. So this is there a determination part is there. How? So suppose if your order is been creating at the order time, okay. Now your item category is normal, NORM material. So what will happen? It will pick the tan. If you look here, tan. The reason it is the material it is norm, okay, and the item category for this order uh, N NSOR, right? NS NSOR and NORM. So what is picking it? Tan it is. Okay. If you want manually, this is default to pick it D and M is for manual. If you want to give manual, you can give as a M8NP also. It will pick. New pricing will be happen for this. Enter, enter. Okay. So this also will be taken because we have given here it is. If it is not there, then it will not allow here. Okay. So this conditions is based on this condition, the items will be generated here. And based on this condition, schedule lines also will be created. Schedule lines default it is there. So schedule lines CP it is created. Where I'll show you. Okay, now schedule line is created. If you double click on this, so this is schedule line. If you look at schedule line, this is CP is there with this name. What is the CP? What is the CP? If you look at CP, MRP. Okay, if what is MRP is working, if you double click on this, movement type 601. If you see here, movement type 601 will be where it is. Movement type 601. Huh. So where it is C601 it is. So this is how it will picking it. Schedule line. So basic configuration is there, item related, what is it, delivery, and then availability check whether stock is there or not, that will be checked. And then this what will happen, it will be assigned to your item category and material type. Sorry, material type, MRP type. So MRP type also in the material it is. Okay, how it is picking? Item category can. Okay, and material type it is we are given as a none. If you look here in the material, if you look in the material, MRP, it will be here MRP. We are not activated. We are not worked on this. Okay, so here it is default. It is taking as a ND. So ND and tan is equal to CN. So what is taking it here? CP. Why? Because we are not given it is, but still it is showing here. Okay, this is scooter. Enter, enter, enter. Go for material. See, MRP is not activated in this. If you look here, MRP is 0. So that means it is a blank. So when it is blank, it is taking as a CP. Okay, so that's it. And same thing it is overall. If you document, if you want more to study, you can go through each categories and document type and then schedule lines, and you can study. And also there is a copy control is there. This copy control is what will happen. This is it will be data will be captured from the inquiry to quotation, quotation to order, order to delivery, billing through this copy control only. So these all the standards one is there. So no need to change it here. So if you want, you can just go through. You just enter this. It will take time because to open the tables, data, everything it will from backend. Okay. So sales document to billing. Okay. So just you can open that and you can check it. What are the configurations are there? So normally what happens? So what happened with this T code is VT. Okay, if it is order to order, then it is AA. It's supposed to say that inquiry, okay, inquiry to quotation, okay, quotation, then that is T code itself. And if it is quotation to order, same T code. And if it is order to delivery, VT, VTLA, and then delivery to billing, VT, FL. So it's nothing but simple to understand. VT is for copy control. Remember, copy control. And A stands for order. A stands for order, and order, inquiry, quotation. Three of them. Inquiry, quotation. But for delivery, for delivery, it is L. And for invoice billing, F. Okay. So order to delivery, it means VT. First you have to take delivery L and then A. This is the T code. Okay. Let me see. Now see, this is the header data. If you go for position, okay, order to quotation. Okay, so this is the data will be captured. If you click here, there are copy requirements are there. These are the standards one, and this is will be defined with the ABAPers. Okay, so based on this all whatever it is in the inquiry, it will be captured from the sorry, whatever in the quotation that will be same captured to the order. So based on this criteria only. So whatever it is given here, header same to customer, general header data, business data, partner data, everything should be captured as it is. Item number also should captured. Okay, dependent profits and segment also it should capture. And in under item, what has to capture that also it will shows here. Can or what is it? It will take time. So AGN standard document, double click. Okay, so basically these are the requirements. So uh, you should go through this all this, then you will understand what all these things. And can AN AGN AGN standard. Okay, and scheduling. This is order quotation to order. The AGN will be captured. Same way for order to delivery, TAN will be captured. Okay. So what is in CP? So CP, if the quotation to order, the CP will be scheduled and will be captured. And under this, the requirement will be 501 and 201 for the data type, something data it is there. General schedule and data will be captured. Okay. So these things you have to go through, and these are the settings behind the every document.